Hey y'all, it's that time again. I got my next Influencer Vox box. It's the Good Life Vox box. And I'm about to open it, so let's see what they gave me this time. Alrighty. Here's the postcard. The Good Life from Influenster. And about Nu Skin products. Nu Skin have you covered whether you're running, playing ball, hiking, or enjoying an afternoon outside. It has liquid bandage, all of that. Now let's see what's in the box. Okay, first we have Zone Perfect Nutrition Bars, Greek Yogurt, Vanilla Berry. And let's see what it says on the back. Serving size 1 bar, calories 180. 12 grams of protein, great taste, 3 grams of fiber made with Greek yogurt. And Greek yogurt is all the rage these days. So, next we have Headache Relief to Go, Lemon Lime 1 powder pack. In case you have a headache. It's from, who is the maker? I guess that is the name of the maker. Be interesting to give that a try. Urgent prescription. Next, Thin Addictives. Cranberry Almond Thins. These are nice. Little snack to go. And there are 2 more things in here. Garcinia cambogia, I think that's how you pronounce it, extract for weight management. What are you trying to say, Influencer? I guess I could give those a try. I haven't really been on diet pills for a while, but we'll see how it goes. From the Vitamin Shop. And then the last is Nu Skin Liquid Bandage. #1 liquid bandage. Got an actual one that. So we'll just have to hope that I cut myself accidentally and I get to try it out. Just kidding. I can actually probably play with it even without cutting. I bruise all the time, but cutting not as much. So we'll see. And as always, all of these products were received free for testing purposes from Influenster, and I thank them for the box. And the last one was a lot of fun, and it looks like the brand challenges this time will be fun too. I saw they had a brand challenge for Thin Addictives as well as the Zone Perfect bar already, and I'll take part in those. And I'll see you next time.